We've made it to Kennywood, everybody. Woohoo! Yeah! We have made it to Kennywood! Woo! And there's Scott. He's going over there. But yeah, we've made it! Ooh, check this out, everybody. Y'all like Pittsburgh? Hey, I'm just gonna say it though. The Bears. Woo! Oh. Oh yeah, first ride of the day. We're getting on Skyrocket. Woo! 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 Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh. Skyrocket was amazing. I loved it. Good family ride. They loved it. My mom loved it too. She's back there, but yeah, it was a great ride. Can't wait for more Kennywood. Thank you so much for letting all of us come here. We are so grateful for being here, Kennywood, and I am so excited to go ride that thing. So, hey Mom, how'd you feel about that?
I had a blast.
It was a good time. But now, oh look at my friends, we're getting on Phantom's Revenge. This is gonna be our second Morgan Hyper Coaster. Shout out Steel Force and Dorney Park real quick, but oh, this is the one. This is one of my highest bucket list coasters ever. And I'm getting to ride it with my friends and my mom. Let's go, everybody. Coaster Coasters Kennywood takeover. Trees in the queue. Oh, that's all we ever asked. Too bad it's not sunny out, but yeah, Phantoms is great. It's time. Happy. Me too. That's how we feel after riding that. How do you guys feel about that, huh? 7 laps? How do you feel?
Great.
7 laps in a row on Phantom's Revenge. It's kind of hard to beat that. I'm not gonna lie, guys. That might be like top 10, top 5 ride for me. So we'll get back to that later. But Kennywood is beautiful. It's a wonderful park. I love this place. Everyone come check it out, especially on Sundays like this. I mean, look at all behind us. Sorry, you guys aren't on camera. They thought they were, now they are. Now you are. Why you no open? Why no open? Ride must I want. We're heading out to get some like Popeyes or McDonald's over there. But we got 8 rides in less than an hour. Thank you so much, Kennywood. You guys rock. right, we're about to go on our credit run now. We're gonna hit the Old Mill, Jackrabbit, Racer, and Thunderbolt. So stay tuned with us, guys. We're gonna get you some feedback on this. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look, look, look. Ah, the Old Mill. Kennywood rocks. You excited?
I'm excited.
Me too. How we feel about the Old Mill?
I loved it.
That was great.
Great?
Yep.
Pretty good? Calm. I loved it. It was like the first like Disney type ride I've ridden in a long time. I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for that. Not Disney quality, you know what I meant. Boat ride, going through a thing. It was really cool. I enjoyed it. Oh yeah, but we're about to get on the Jackrabbit now. Woo! The history of Jackrabbit, guys. Yeah, we're getting on it now. Dude, the back was crazy. What'd you guys think of it?
That was pretty great. Lived up to what I remember. That was great.
Yeah? Mom, how'd you feel about it?
Oh my god, I loved it.
Jackrabbit is so cool. That double down, all right, so everyone, when you watch those YouTube videos and everyone's like, oh, the double down is crazy, it's crazy. I don't buy into the hype, all right? Look, that double down is crazy. So the Racer was pretty good, huh?
I liked it a lot.
Yeah, I like the Racer. The last wooden Mobius loop in the country. It's pretty cool, everybody. That was really fun to get on. We're gonna go ride Thunderbolt next year.
Yeah.
And we can't wait for the haunts to start tonight. We're gonna do the Voodoo Bayou and everything else, so it's gonna be a good time. But for the meantime, we're gonna get on this classic Woody now. 2 out of 3 done. Hey, is this Kings Island and Mystic Timbers? I hear cars. They're closing the park at 4 p.m. for inclement weather. Hey, fun fact, that's old Phantom Revenge track. It's pretty nifty. Credit run's going good though. We're about to get on Ghostwood Estate. We got our friends back too, so we're gonna get this credit run in and at least try to get some of that stuff done. Maybe a coaster added too in there. So stay tuned, guys. This park is phenomenal. It is so beautiful. Look, there's the Spinvasion ride. You know, we wouldn't get on that, but Spinvasion's down there. All by Phantom's Revenge, which might be my new favorite roller coaster ever. It's been a great day here. It's unfortunate they're closing early, but this park is beautiful. The event looks like it would have been cool. I wish you got to experience it, but nonetheless, this park is freaking awesome. The pirate ship's got some theming. Everything's got some cool theming. We're gonna hit Phantoms one more time before we get out of here, but obviously we're gonna hit Jackrabbit one more time too. Meet back up with our friends. Yeah, and give a review of the park. This park is top tier. Just wish it was open all day, you know? We got the actual Kennywood Phantom out here. Pretty much saying goodbye to all of us, but that's pretty cool. Carousel building, so awesome. Hey, who is that guy? This one is aggressive. Very. This is such a good mural. Wow. Hey guys, look, a wishing well. Oh, what? Wish me well, everybody. It's not 5 minutes, guys. It is 6. We rode Skyrocket to close out the day. Kennywood, thank you for inviting us out here. We had a fabulous day. I'm gonna ask them how they felt about the park too here, but I loved it. I can't wait to come back to this park. Hopefully we can this year. Good night. Is that how you feel about Kennywood?
Kennywood.
20 rides, 4 hours?
Yeah.
20 rides, 4 hours.
What do you like it? How'd you feel about Kennywood?
I wish it was my home park.
Yeah, me too. It's a fabulous park. Where'd Scott go? Oh, Scott's over there. My favorite ride was probably, obviously Phantoms, but then Thunderbolt and Jackrabbit were awesome. Then double down on Jackrabbit. Definitely must ride. Let's see how CP Coaster Lover feels about this park. Scott, how'd you feel about the park?
Oh, it was a great day today.
I loved it. Good day. What'd you feel?
Awesome.
Favorite rides? What were your guys' favorite rides?
Yeah, that's Phantom's Revenge.
Phantom's Revenge? What's your favorite ride?
Oh, Phantom.
Phantoms? I think we're all on Thunderbolt? Okay, yeah. Yeah, Phantoms though, because that one definitely creeped up my list. It's crazy. You go under the road, guys. This park is so amazing. I might get one of those. But look at all this trees, shade. This park is amazing. And then everything's just over there. Bye, Kennywood. Hey everyone, thanks for coming to Kennywood with me.
It was great. Fantastic ride.